Hi everyone and welcome to another video by Edolio. In this video, we'll learn how to filter duplicate values in Excel using conditional format. Now here we have some sample employee data. We have employee ID, name, their hiring date, their department and their division. Actually, there are some duplicates in this data and that's what we want to filter. We want to find out what are the duplicates value and then either remove it or deal with them in some other way. Now you can see here, there is some employees data which is repeating. So for example, Jack is here and Jack is here. You also have Jessica here and Jessica here. And here you can see Smith is repeating. Now as the data set was small, it was easy for us to visually spot out the duplicates. But if you have hundreds and thousands of data points, you cannot do that manually. So this is where conditional formatting will help us. It will help us to filter out these duplicate values. So now the process is divided into two parts. One is highlighting these duplicate values and second, filtering those duplicate values. So step one, highlight, step two, filter. Now to highlight, we're going to be using conditional formatting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this entire range. So I'm going to try to highlight duplicates in the employee ID column. So once the range is selected, under home tab, you will see the option of conditional formatting. I'll click here and from the different options, I'll choose highlight cell rules. Now here you have an option known as duplicate values. Now what conditional formatting does is that basis a condition, it actually changes the formatting, which is the text, the border, the color of the cells. So you can visually highlight cells differently basis a given condition. So here I'm telling Excel that highlight cells which have duplicate values. So I'm going to select this and it's going to give me a new dialog box. In style, I won't make a change. You have an option format with. This is where you can decide what the formatting has to be. So for example, I can select that duplicate value should be light red fill with dark text color, or it should be yellow, it should look like this, or it should look like this, or you can actually customize your format by this. You can specify what font, what color, what border, so on and so forth, right? I'm just going to select the default, which is light red fill with dark red text. I'm going to select OK, done. And now you can see Excel has actually highlighted all the duplicate values. So here, 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 so on and so forth. So the first step, highlighting is done. Now I'm going to filter. So I'm going to select all of these headers. Under sort and filter, I'll select filter. Now here, I'm going to select this and actually I'm going to filter by color. So you have an option of filtering by color. I'm going to click here and it is going to ask me, do I want to filter by cell color or font color? So I'm just going to select cell color. You can also do font color because there are not too many formatting here, so it should work. But for default, I'm just going to go with cell color and I'm going to select this rows and done. Now Excel has formatted all the cells which has duplicate values. So you can see Jack here is twice, Jessica is also here twice, and Smith is also here twice. Now you can decide to delete these extra entries or you can decide to deal with it in any other way. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to keep making this amazing content for you. Also, if you're someone who's interested to learn advanced Excel concepts like pivot tables, vlookup, pivot charts, Power Query, and much more, then do check out the advanced Excel course. The link is in the description below. If there's any other topic you want us to cover, make sure to comment and tell us what to cover next. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.